Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 11th day of June 2025. We just closed a live trading room and had another very successful day in the room. The volume picked up today big time. We're going to start very much at the top of the hour when a lot of things happen. Actually, we're in a 60-minute move to the short side, and it is humming along. So when it gets in there, we love these strong candles that close below brick walls. So we'll look for the retrace and then get involved and try and take it as far down as we can. This isn't like all trades of the day. These are trades taken in the live trading room, either by myself or by traders in the room. One of our traders did get a 200 tick target on this trade right here. So let's go ahead and show you what happened. We're going to pair our ATM to the PVI. I expect the next candle to be anywhere, let's say between 100 and 120 ticks at minimum, because we are in a larger chart move. So this can very well go ballistic. So here we go. We have we're going for 20s just to de-risk the trade. Then we're going for hundreds and 200s. So we de-risk relatively early. So if we de-risk and then it gets taken out at break even, we have another opportunity to re-enter the trades. So here we go. Because it's flying, we're just going to wait for a structured retrace here. And that means we're just going to throw a Fibonacci. We want this to come back to the 50 of the previous candle, which I think it does to the tick, if I'm not mistaken. All right. And then we can put our order on the bottom of the candle. Now, if this hits the 50 of the Fibonacci of the previous candle and rebounds and picks this up, highly likely we're going to get a massive target. So here's what we call it, a structured retrace. We're going to take our time. We'll run it at regular speed. Until we get picked up in the trade. I think it goes pretty fast anyway. So we may just leave it at regular speed. A lot of times we'll speed it up once we're in the trade, but I'm going to get another order ready to sell just in case we do de-risk this quickly. So first thing we need to do is put the stop where it belongs. It gets taken out right away now. It's not what we want. We want to sell this underneath. So if it comes back and takes us out at break even, see our stop went from way up here all the way down to a break even position. Notice it's behind where we re-entered. So if we don't get to our 100 tick target and it takes us out, we have a chance to re-enter the trade. You can see the PVI is up to 130. So the higher it goes, the more volatile the market is. And that's our first brick wall. And we should maybe put that a couple of ticks before that brick wall just to make sure we get paid and taken out. All right, so we don't need this anymore. We'll take it off. All right, so hundreds are out. So 20 ticks times 2, 100 ticks times 1, and we'll just follow this down, follow our stop down. We don't have to. We can just leave it where it is and it's either going to hit our large range target or not. Normally we'd follow this all the way down. I know for a fact that we got 200 ticks on this particular trade, so I'll leave our stop where it is. But it wouldn't be unreasonable to follow our stop down the brick wall. So when it gets past one brick wall and hits another one, we just bring our stop to the next brick wall, keep bringing it down, keep bringing it down. Because we don't want to get nothing on this last contract. But the 200 tick was targeted and was executed in the room today. So we'll just have to wait for that to come through. We can speed it up, I guess, a little bit. Sometimes it's hard to hang on to that. Sometimes it's hard to hang on to that trade and get that last target. But that was a massive, massive trade. That right there was worth 1,720 US dollars. It was executed live in the room this afternoon. So if you want to learn, it took less than 4 minutes to execute. So if you want to learn how to make $1,720 in less than 4 minutes, then come and join us in the US Close live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. And we look forward to seeing you next time. God bless you, and we'll see you tomorrow.